how to update the Uber Eats app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to update the Uber Eats app on your Android device in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are on the search section, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Uber Eats. And now here, on the search result page, simply tap on the Uber Eats option. And now here, once you see the interface like this, check the update button is available or not. So here, if you see the update button, just tap on it to start the updating process. But if the button says open instead of update, then you are already using the latest version. So here, if you want to stay updated automatically, then just tap on the three dot shown in the top right corner of the Uber Eats app page. And here, make sure that the enable auto update is checked. That way, you will always have the latest version. And that's it. That's how you can update your Uber Eats app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.